again, Johan and my brother Jacob. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Johan Wonders. Please stay connected and stay safe. Today we're going to do another science experiment. Do you know what are we going to do today? Today we are going to do Mentos experiment. Are you ready? Then let's get started. For this experiment, we only need Coke and Mentos. Put the Mentos inside the Coke. Ask an adult to do this as it might explode. As the Mentos candy sinks in the bottle, the candy causes the production of more and more carbon dioxide bubbles, and the rising bubbles react with carbon dioxide that is still dissolved in the soda to cause more carbon dioxide to be freed, resulting in the eruption. We tried to put Mentos again, but second time it didn't react anymore. Guys, hope you like our science experiment today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more of my exciting and amazing videos. See you on our next experiment video. Bye-bye.
A few inches later.
you for watching!